Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by proving you qualify and assembling core documents. Check your eligibility category, age, disability, or specific conditions, because that determines timing and parts. Next, locate your social security number, birth documentation, and any current insurance cards so you can reference policy numbers. Also pull recent W-2 or 1099 and work credits if needed. These affect premiums and enrollment periods. Once ready, you'll use this packet to apply online, by phone, or in person, so don't skip this step. Now decide which Medicare parts fit your needs and why. Part A for hospital, Part B for outpatient, Part D for drugs, or a Medicare Advantage plan that bundles services. Compare premiums, deductibles, drug formularies, and provider networks because those numbers change out-of-pocket risk. Then pick how you'll enroll. Social Security Online is fastest. Phone or local office works if you need help. Make choices before deadlines. Once enrollment is processed, your coverage and billing start dates are set, so timing matters. Finish by confirming your enrollment. Open the official letter, note effective dates, and check Medicare ID details for errors. This prevents billing surprises. If you chose supplemental coverage, activate Medigap or Part D within allowed windows to avoid penalties. Make sure providers accept your plan and update pharmacy preferences. If something goes wrong, missing coverage, denial, or incorrect premiums, request a reconsideration immediately and submit any missing documents. Be persistent and keep exact copies of everything, because appeals hinge on documentation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.